Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to more Subnautica. I did some adventuring and I did find, finally, some sandstone. And they also made a radiation suit, so I mean, that's really good actually. Right now I need to make a fabricator, which takes a wiring kit and a computer chip. And right now, a wiring kit, table coral sample. Oh, silver ore takes 2. So I need 3 silver ore. Table coral sample. I can probably get that right now. Okay, table coral is that really weird purple coral that looks a lot like acid mushrooms. But it's not acid mushrooms. It's this stuff, right? No. Is it this stuff? Oh no, it's this stuff right here. Oh, this is easier than I thought. Woohoo, boy. What up, fam? Okay, now all I need is 3 silver ore. I mean, 2 silver ore, because I already found one. And there's another life pod and another one, but like a life pod 6 or something, and that's really it, but. And I'm super happy. I'm in a good mood because I finally found some stuff, and something near me is groaning. Which I don't know. It's usually it's him. I definitely knew that. You got any? Fudge. Guess I do need some titanium. See, if I was looking for copper, I would be the richest man in the world right now. Why is this thing just... Is this oxygen or something? Freaking rock, it's just floating everywhere. Come here, you little wimp. You think you can attack me, huh? Come on, let's tussle. Freaking hate these things. Like, they're not even like annoying anymore. They're just peasants. Like, I don't even like get scared of them anymore, because all they do is try to hurt you, and you can really take care of them pretty easily. Jeez, guys, it's not that hard. There's one down there I couldn't tell. There's one right there. It's not very safe. And one right there. Isn't really a safe area at all. Huh. Oh. What a shock. I never would have guessed there were animals that attacked you here, even though I've been seeing these things for weeks now. Here's a safe little pocket. There's a whale. Making his weekly groans. Actually, it's probably like hourly. I feel like something is gonna pop out of that sand, so I don't really trust it. You know, I could just like run over here and check on the sea glide, but I feel like, you know what, live a little. You know what, I don't really feel like going over there. Now that I think about it. Oh, that's just a bump. It's not sandstone. Job America. Is something big happening? No, see, I would have gone to Life Pod 7, but that Life Pod 7 is over there. I really want to go over there. Hey nerd, excuse me. Are you gonna chase me? I've killed like 3 of you right now. Oh, you do? Okay. You gonna beat me up, huh? Freaking run. Always think they're so tough, but they're not. Stupid little pieces of crap. I mean, I guess. I need a sea moth fragment. That's what's only important. Another message? My god. These guys are getting messages. Now it's nighttime. Great. Alright, what's the big news?
Playing message.
Ooh, laser cutters. Do I have a laser cutter? Bet you I don't, but... Can I make a laser cutter? Oh, diamond. Well, how do I get diamond? Did I see a slicker? Did I see a sea slicker over there? Better not be. Okay, I'm gonna do research while it's nighttime. Alright fam, let's go. I just lost it. Oh yeah, there's another life pod that requests our help again. Freaking idiots. It's this direction. It's closer than the other one, but I still don't really want to go to it unless there's a big, safe area over here. You know, maybe. You know, maybe. I mean, where are you? 100 meters there. Farther from my base than I am from this one, so. Oh my god. Oh, look! There freaking is. Someone gonna kill me? Where's the murderer yet? Oh my goodness. Oh, fudge. Okay. That doesn't look safe.
Caution. Mild dehydration detected. Fluid intake recommended.
Can I still see my pod from here? Wait. Ha ha! Nerd. Wow. That's it. Fudge. Gigantic volcano. What's this thing?
New blueprint acquired.
Oh, that's it. Where's the radiation suit? Jeez, guys, what a ripoff. Where's my money? Got the blueprints for a freaking compass, that's it. Jeez, what do you think I am, like 3? I don't want a compass. It's another freaking sea glide fragment. Freaking everything. I hate this game. There's another freaking sea slicker. Hey, come here. I am so done with life. I want to tussle. Me and you. Oh, maybe that wasn't very smart. Hey, you. Okay, no, back to base. You know, maybe I should be less stupid. Yeah, I'm good. There's another one. Hey, you, come here. Punch. Oh, no, boy! Oh, crap. Another message.
This is Avery Quinn of Trading Ship Sunbeam. Aurora, do you read? Over?
Oh, yes, I read.
Still nothing. These Altera ships. They run out of engine grease. They send an SOS. You offer to help? They don't pick up. Aurora, I'm out on the far side of the system. It's going to take more than a week
Emergency.
to reach your position.
Severe
Do you still
dehydration
need our
detected.
assistance?
Seek
Over.
fluid intake immediately.
I'll try them again tomorrow. See what the long-range scan picks up in the meantime? Damn charter's gonna have us wasting our profit margin running errands for Altera.
You're a jerk. Alright, well, it's pretty rad that we found the compass. Maybe we could head to that one later. Not in the mood now. Because I want to find sandstone. Okay, I just found one, but it contained gold, not silver, which is maybe an issue, but I guess I'll try not to give up. It's not really a lot out here, but I'm finding a lot more sandstone. Silver.
Caution. Dehydration detected.
Not now, Karen. Right?
30 seconds.
Just got attacked by one of those little wormy things again. Wormy. I don't remember that SpongeBob episode. Nickelodeon flashbacks for you. Okay, if I want to make a medic kit, I need to get some salt deposits, and actually that's really easy, frankly. Probably find a couple right around here. Or not. Oh no, I went over there again. For the second time I got attacked by a little bug. Those things are everywhere. Okay, no bugs. I call dibs. Should probably find a second one so I can make 2 medic kits. Here's quartz. That's good enough right here. Fill me up, baby. Fill me up. Oh yeah, give me your oxygen. Oh, and look, there's a salt deposit right next to it. Okay. Thank you. I love those little things. Just sit there pumping out oxygen for you, and then they give you salt deposits. That's what I call a truth. Like a mother, but in the ocean. Stuff. Bleach. I love drinking that. Ha! Bleach joke! Ha ha ha! Oh wait, I can get medic kit fabricator in my household, but I just want to make a medic kit. Oh. Okay, I didn't go out to get that bleach for nothing, alright? Give me my medic kit. Oh. Where is it? Fiber, you know what? I'm good. Oh, freaking. God, kill me. I hate you. Oh, you're gone now. Never mind, I severely disliked you. Okay, I just need one more silver ore. Nerds, I already got one. And maybe some food. How much silver ore do I have? 1. Wait, no. Oh yeah. Because I built that one thing in the sun setting, right? Hope not. Right. Oh yeah, I can make lots of water now that I have lots of bleach. Oh, I have a full inventory. Oh. Look at that. Alert message.
Aurora, this is Sunbeam again. We just picked up a massive debris field at your location. I didn't know how bad. How many of... I didn't know. We're now en route to your location. We're gonna bring you home. Sunbeam out. What else can I say? We're a 6-seater, and we aren't even slightly equipped to handle this? Our pilot last attempted a planet landing in the Academy simulator. Oh, it's a bad situation, but so are all the alternatives.
Okay, it's fine with me. You guys can come and save me. I'd really like that. Come to daddy.
Emergency. Starvation imminent. See vital signs stabilizing.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Triple wow.
Welcome aboard, Captain.
Okay, let's get some junk in here. Signals. Some titanium, maybe. I don't really need an air bladder anymore. Some dead batteries. And now it's nighttime, and that fish right there. Hey, dude. How's your week been? Just gonna stand there? Oh, okay. Bye. Oh, hello there. I'm back. Wow. That was like a long 20 minutes I had without you. How you feeling? Just got attacked by some locals. You know, the basics. Dang it. Need to make some titanium. I'm also gonna make some more batteries. You're beautiful. I love you. Oh, there's not another request. I thought I heard beeping. Huh. That's it. What's with all of this? Okay. Well, yeah, that happened. I think I found out why my vertical base connector won't like me, and that's maybe because there's no attachment at the top. Maybe. I don't know, guys. Don't judge. Okay, I actually think I may have just gotten it. What up,
Welcome
what up?
aboard, Captain.
Swag in the hood. Fudge. Oh, there we go. Haha. Wow, that's really rad, actually. That's pretty rad, actually. That's super rad. Well, back to finding sandstone. Ooh, boy, let's go. Got it. Let's go. Let's go. This dude's attacking me. Come on. All right. All right. Some really gnarly music started playing, and I was like, oh no, oh shoot, I got it. I'm a champion! Woohoo! And now I need some titanium. Which is maybe a problem. You're telling me out of all the moments I can't find metal salvage right now. At this, oh. I should probably quit talking and look more. Yeah, boy! Look at this, baby. Now what? Alright, well, thanks for watching at the end of this episode. Later, nerds. Now, this is a story all about how my life got turned upside down. I'd like to take a minute, just sit right there. I'll tell you how I became the prince of a town called Bel Air. In West Philadelphia, born and raised on the playground is where I spent most of my days, chilling out, maxing, relaxing, all cool, and all shooting some b-ball outside of the school. When a couple of guys who were up to no good started making trouble in my neighborhood. I got in one little fight, and my mom got scared. She said, "You're moving with your auntie and uncle in Bel Air." I whistled for a cab, and when it came near, the license plate said fresh and had dice in the mirror. If anything, I could say this cab was rare, but I thought, nah, forget it. Your home is to Bel Air. I pulled up to the house about 7 or 8, and I yelled to the cab, "You're home, smell you later." Looked at my kingdom, I was finally here to sit on my throne as the Prince of Bel Air. I am out, my dudes. This is pre-recorded, but it's still swag as it ever be. Good day to you, and watch my videos and subscribe.